Good morning, students. Second chapter, the Roman number had completed. So it's a revision time. Today I am given some revision work. Okay, but firstly revision. First to 10, 1 to 100 you have to write Roman number and keep your mind. What is the written 16, 18, 20, 50, 70, 100, whatever you have to write it Roman number. Then convert Roman numericals into Hindu Arabic numbers, and Hindu Arabic numbers convert into numericals. After that, which one is meaningless and which one is meaningful? Firstly, you have to write those are meaningless, you have to write it meaningless, and those are meaningful, you have to write their number. Then greater is smaller, you know better things, but some remember, keep in your mind things to remember. Yesterday previous class I had explained, but next time again I explained. Repetition of a Roman numericals means addition. It means x plus x 2 times, here xx, 20, xxx, 30, but only 3 times, cannot be repeated more than 3 times. Then second one is always in addition, Roman numericals addition, always written right side a smaller number and left side bigger number. Then subtract it opposite, left side written smaller number and right side written bigger number. Then rule number 4, two larger number, then always subtract from the larger number, immediately follow its. It means after larger number, then two larger number between a smaller number and subtract the right hand side numbers. Here numerical system, Roman system, there is no symbol for 0. In a Roman system there is no symbol for 0. This system is also not a place value. Remember that रोमन नंबर में प्लेस वैल्यू नहीं लिखा जाता है और ना ही इसमें ज़ीरो का कोई सिंबल होता है. एंड आई, एक्स, सी एंड एम कैन बी रिपीटेड. आई, एक्स, सी एंड एम कैन बी रिपीटेड, बट वी, एल एंड डी कैन नॉट बी रिपीटेड. Remember that V, L and D cannot be repeated. No numericals can be repeated more than 3 times. I told also. Then V, L and D are never subtract. V, L and D are never subtract, and I can be subtract from V and X. Only I can be subtract from V and X. Then X can be subtract from L and C. It is your things to remember. You have to keep your mind, and I am given some questions. You have to do yourself. Roman number to numericals and Hindu Arabic number to Roman number. Okay, thank you.